Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. While the rest of the market digests big tech earnings like Apple, which is down, Amazon, which is down, Google, down, Qualcomm, down. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow is not a great time to look at big tech stocks as they digest earnings. That said, let's find a sector that probably doesn't have anything to do with big tech earnings, and that's XME, metals, and mining. As you can see here after hours, XME is not really doing anything. It's still maintaining its trend. It's above all the major moving averages and is consolidating near a previous zone of resistance from back here in June of last year. And so I think XME could be where we want to be looking over the next few days as the market digests some of these earnings. So be sure and keep this on your watch list. I'd probably look for a pullback to this 8-day exponential period moving average. Over the last month or so, the 8-day has really acted as a guide and a pullback buy opportunity where you're not buying things that are extended, which is not great to do when the market itself gets a bit extended. So I'd suggest looking for a pullback buy opportunity on XME around the 8-day, or even better, maybe around that 21-day if you can get a nice bounce up off of that level. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should definitely check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.